and the second game was started. We don't know about this game, but the chair was sitting in the row, and here is the types of biscuit, and the student, I think he had taken the biscuit and fall in the basket. So let's see what happened. The students were excited to play the game, and our teachers, our game teachers, were preparing the student how can they play, and just ready. Oh, I think the student had taken the biscuit from the chair and eat, and who ate the first, he is the winner, or she is the winner. See, the teacher were preparing the student. And the game has started now. The student has seated and eaten the biscuit. Let's see who can win the game. I think she finished it the first game. She finished it the biscuit. These kind of slow eaters. And the second round has been started. The second round, students are ready on their way to the position, and they are on the way to eat those biscuits, and they look very excited that they are getting to eat the biscuits. Kind of interesting game. The teachers are continuously instructing them that what they have to do. Like, this is a kind of game in which chairs are placed here and biscuits are placed on the chair, and the students have to come here, like in the running, like they have to run to the chair, and they will sit there on the chair and will eat the biscuits, and let's see that who will eat fast. So the game teacher is ready to whistle, and after that the students will on their way to the game. So let's see that who will be eat fast, and after that the winner will be decided. Whether the children are confused in terms of chair, that where they have to sit and where not. And they are ready on their way to the biscuits, and they are looking quite shy. They are not eating the biscuits. They are just looking at them. And that person, that boy, just eaten all the biscuits and have gone to get the first position. And those two slow eaters are on the way, and yoo-hoo, they also reached their position.
Two students are eating the biscuits here. They do not know it will be just randomly.
Two slow eaters are in the competition. Let's see. That girl won. Girls power. And the teachers now are noting the name of the winners that who are on the first, second or third position. And the next round are students on their way to the position. They are just going to take their position, and they look very cute and kind of nervous also, because they are such teeny tots and they don't know that how to play the game and what exactly are the rules of the game. And teachers are instructing them that what to do. And now the third round has been started. The teachers guides the student. And the biscuits had stayed in the chair. And all the students are excited to eat the biscuit. We don't know how to play the game, but he's excited for eating the biscuit. Let's see who is to win in the third round and the final round of this game.
Our mentor, player, teachers are instruction to the children how can they play and how can they eat to win the game. All the students are ready to eat the biscuit.
Now the race has started and the students are looking just crazy to eat the biscuits. And the first student to take the position is this one in the red tracksuit, and he have started eating the biscuits. And this girl is thoroughly confused that what to do and where is her sheet. The teacher instructed her and she has taken her position and started eating the biscuits. There must be some slow eaters in this race who will be like, at the end of the moment, they'll be like eating the biscuits slowly. And that student is the first one to complete eating his biscuits and just walking like in such an attitudeful way that he have won the race. And no one was in his competition. So our teachers have got their top three rankers, the first, second and third, and some are just eating the biscuits and she is still look confused. She is still looking and she don't know that what to do, and now she's running to her way.
All students are being noted down the name.
Such a pure heart the three thoughts have, right, Nanshita?
Yeah.
She is still want to complete eating her biscuits and don't want to do anything else. Look at this girl.
Fourth rounds, this that is going to start.
And the next round has been started. The students are going to their positions and ready for it sweets. They are taking his position.
And the next round, students have also taken their position, and we are covering each and every movement of this auspicious and just very kind of full of joy and the sport that is held in our school, and each and everybody is just covering the movements wherever they are. The race is going to be started. Let's see what will happen. The race is going to be started. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. It's a kind of jalebi race, you know? Yeah. Which makes the students 1, 2, and 3. Go. The students have taken their positions and they are on the way to eat the jalebis, and this boy seems to eat very fast, and I think he will be, oh my god, a turning point in the race. That boy won the first position, gained the first position. Wow. Like Anshita, whatever race we are covering, there are some slow eaters in each and every race. Like even we talk about the previous race or this present one, look at this guy.
He is still eating the jalebi.
Yeah, and I think he don't want to win the race. He is just enjoying eating that.
Yeah.
He don't matter. It doesn't matter for him that he have to win the race. He just have to complete his jalebi and like fulfill his hunger and nothing else. And now he is going to get the last position in the race.
And the next round has been started for eating jalebi. And here the student don't know how to play the game, but he is thinking that he only eat the jalebi and win the game. And now this game will be started. The teachers game has started.
Yeah, so game has been started and students are learning very fastly. They are eating jalebi. You know what? The rule of the game is that they have to sit on the chair and after that they have to eat. But some students are overexcited and they are just eating the jalebi. They don't know that how. This one kid have got the first position. First ranker. The teacher is noting the names. Students are very happy to play the game. Students seem full of joy, full of energy, and full of like enthusiasm, and they are just excellent. They are just and the teacher is guiding them to eat fast, but they are just the race doesn't matter for them, only the hunger matter for them. Where is he going? I think a student who is thoroughly confused, that boy who was the participant of the race, he doesn't know any rules, like he had just came in the race, ate jalebi and just ran away. He doesn't wanted any position. And the students over here are arranging the students on their position from where they have to commence the race. And some students are on their way. That boy looks very lazy. What happened to you? क्या हुआ आपको? She doesn't want to respond. She looks very easy and she have like fulfill her hunger and nothing matters.